Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Umintri rongba kajala Meghalaya U Conrad K Sangma ulalek banya kendu ya umintri khna ka sarkar pdeng u Amit shah hanongba New Delhi banya kran halor ke jingdan kam jong kajala. Kipang ki balawanra ki kenthup ya ka separate cadre na ka Assam Meghalaya joint cadre ka jingonra ya ka ktien khasi ber ka ktien garo ha ka 8 schedule jong ka riti sinshar hari India. Ka jingtri kampura jong ka inline permit ILP ha Meghalaya ka jing ai buram da ka ba ai kerteng ya ka we ka surok had New Delhi ha ka kerteng Leit PA Sangma. Ha bakran hadin kate ka jing ya kendu U Conrad K Sangma ulong ngalawanra ya ki jingdawa ki ba kongsan jong ki pait ba ka jilla sha umintri khanna. Kini kilong ki jing angnut balaslem bat ki badon kam na ka benta ka jilla bat ki nong shong shnong. Ngangit scam baka sarkar pedeng kan perkhat bha ban pendep ya kini ki jingdawa kam tam ha ka baya day baka jing pendrung ya ki ktien khasi bat garu ha ka 8 schedule ka separate cadre bat ka ILP ka jing ai buram da ka we ka surok hanong ba Delhi ha kerteng ulit PA Sangma kan nong kadak ban pensa kan mau ya ka jing tray shitom jong u na ka benta ka ri bat ka dong shate lam ningi.
Today, I had a meeting with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, and 4 important agendas were discussed. First agenda was regarding a separate cadre for the state of Meghalaya. As you're aware, right now we have a joint cadre of Meghalaya Assam cadre, and no other state in the country have got a joint cadre. And therefore, I have requested and urged the Honorable Home Minister that if the cadre of Assam and Meghalaya could also be segregated and Meghalaya could get its dedicated officials, it would be a great benefit to the state of Meghalaya. The second subject which I took up today in the meeting was regarding the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I once again reminded Honorable Home Minister that we had passed a resolution in this regard in the Assembly, and multiple times we have submitted a memorandum to him urging him to consider inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. The third agenda was regarding the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. And as you're aware that we have already passed a resolution in the House and multiple memorandums have been submitted, I reminded the Honorable Home Minister once again, especially keeping in mind the current situation along the international border and the different kind of situations unfolding in the neighboring country. And keeping all of these factors in mind, it was important to not only strengthen the presence of our forces along the border, creation of more infrastructure, but at the same time having a mechanism to check illegal immigration and infiltration in the state of Meghalaya. And given the current circumstances and the current laws that are there in the country, the only option that we have is to go for an ILP, and based on that we have once again urged the Honorable Home Minister to consider that. The fourth subject that we discussed was regarding naming of a road in the name of late PA Sangma ji in New Delhi, the capital of our country. I urged the Honorable Home Minister that late PA Sangma ji was a national figure, a person who always has raised his voice for the Northeast, for the tribals and for the minorities, and a tall figure in the Northeast and in the state of Meghalaya, as well as in the country at large. And therefore, it would be truly befitting to have a road in the capital named after late PA Sangma. Thank you.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen. An OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. with over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya.